Hi everyone, I received this flip-up face helmet as a gift, and today we're gonna open the box, see what's inside. This helmet is pin lock compatible, so you do get a pin lock film to prevent your lens from fogging. You also get instructions. So you do get a bag for storage. It does have a sunshade built in. There's a knob right here to open it. Very nice and convenient. To install a pin lock film, you do have to remove visor. Comes off very easy. To properly measure your head, you take a measuring tape and just an inch above your eyebrows, an inch above your ears, you wrap around your head and you measure the size, and then you follow the chart to order a correct size helmet. It's made out of fiberglass, which makes it very strong and very light, much stronger than a regular ABS plastic. It's a flip-up face. The cushions inside are very soft, and it's removable for washing. You do get cutouts for a Bluetooth headset for easy installation. The state we live in, it gets really hot, so it's very important to have proper ventilation. Two on the sides. The helmet is DOT certified. And remember, safety is the most important.